strange,
strange, noise,
noise,
both,
both，舌头要
both,
放在牙齿中间，both，
both, anyone, answer, ourselves,
ourselves,
ourselves, sign, shape, tone,
kernel,
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 kernel, OK，
okay, drink,
B-A-E,
beak,
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 sharp,
OK, A-R-R,
sharp,
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 sharp. Next one,
nail,
nail. So we say fingernail, right? Nail,
yes, lip,
lip, lip.
lip, nose,
Good.
king,
OK, K 不
K,
发音，呢 E 发音
knee,
的长音，knee
knee,
knee。OK，
yes, leg,
leg
natural,
natural。
toe,
O 发
u,
对
tooth,
，tooth tooth，
tooth,
它的复数是什么？T E E T H teeth
teeth,
brush your teeth，
yes,
不是只有刷一颗，是刷全部。brush your teeth。
什么？
Choose the multiple choice. Choose the correct one. Correct answer.
哦，我懂了，等一下，让我研究一下，什么意思啊？这个，哦，我知道怎么玩了，对，also, 对
So who is Tiger? Lucas, you win.
对
Yeah.
对，
Okay. Good job. You win. Okay, so that's the vocabulary for today, and we're going to go through our grammar. 那这一课最主要的文法是在教 reflexive pronounce， 就是我们的叫做反声代名词。那什么是反声代名词呢？反声代名词就是代表你自己，对不对？
嗯哼，
比如说 I， 这 singular 就代表单数 ，plural 就是复数。那单数的我们说 subject pronounce 就是主词的什么代名词嘛，对不对？也就是我们主词的部分啦。如果主词的部分是单数的，像 I, you, he, she, it 的话，它的反声代名词就是 ，Can you read it?
yes, myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself,
对，那就是我的话就是我自己嘛。那它放的位置可能是后面动词之后的受词的部分。那主词一定是放在主词的，之前我们讲过主词、动词还有受词的部分嘛。 那主词一定是在主词的位置。那如果我们的主词是复数的，譬如说是像 we、you 类的话，那反身代名词就会是
ourself, yourself, themselves,
注意一下，是不是 ourselves？它现在变成 L
ourselves,
去 F 加 BES，ourselves。
ourselves,
上牙齿要咬住下嘴唇 ，ourselves，
ourselves,
yourselves，
ourselves,
themselves。
themselves.
刚看到了吗？
有
Okay, I burn on the stove.
I bronze.
What should you put? What should you put in here?
What is bronze?
Burned, burned，烧伤。I burned
烧香。What I bronze myself on the stove.
记得吗？我们是说主词，对不对？刚刚有讲主词，然后这边要放反身代名词
Yes.
的位置。那这个位置你应该放什么？如果主词是 I 的话
Myself.
，Good。OK， 你先不管你懂不懂这个，对不对？
Yes.
这一句的任何单字。那刚刚我们学的反身代名词，那主词是 I， 那这边就是应该 myself。So can you read the whole sentence? Whole sentence.
I bronze myself on the stove.
Good. I burned. Burnt means you. Okay, if you cook something, okay, if you cook something, ouch, I burned myself. Burned.
中
烧伤了，对不对？烧伤了。Say, I burned myself on the stove. Do you know what's stove?
I don't know.
炉子 okay?
Yes.
So when you cook something, you can say, ouch, ouch, I burnt myself on the stove.
He hurt himself during the sport match.
Soccer, okay, soccer match. Very good. That's the right answer. So himself is the right answer. And subject. The subject is he, so you should put himself here, right?
Yes.
And during the, what's this one?
足球
Repeat after me. Say soccer.
soccer
Soccer match.
soccer match.
Okay, soccer 是你刚刚讲对了，是足球。Match 是什么？
比赛
比赛，对不对？Any kind of
The
match.
dog beat itself on the tail.
Yes, the dog. So you use itself, right? So
Yes.
what is bit? That's a picture.
No.
Okay, next one. Very good. Next one. You
You look at yourselves in the mirror a lot.
very good. You 主词是 you， 所以你放 yourself here. You look at yourself in the mirror a lot. So what is mirror? This one. Okay.
Okay.
Next one. Next questions. We
have ourselves at the party.
very good. 主词是 we， 所以是我们刚刚讲说你应该用什么 ？Our
So
self 吗
SEVES.
？Yes, ourselves, right? So
Yeah.
use we behave ourselves at the party, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, next one. Behave. What's behave? 是指行为上的节制 ，OK？ 所以我们没有玩的太过，刚刚好，对不对？
Yes.
And
You
next one.
enjoy yourselves very much.
Very good. This one is really easy, right?
Yes.
No, you, the subject you, so you should use yourself in here. Okay, next one. They
help themselves to a little of the food.
哎，主词是什么？
They.
累，对不对？主词是
Yeah.
累，所以
Themselves.
how do you spell themselves?
Themselves.
Very good. Okay, themselves.
Come from nature. Ben, David, and Sally are at the Science Museum. What's that strange sound? Look, it's from the train on TV.
It's going through a tunnel now and making a lot of noise.
There is another train on the other TV. It's
Some of the most useful ideas come from nature. So what is nature?
Nature 是
Nature 是我们的什么？大自然，对不对？
Yes.
对。
Yes.
So some of the most useful ideas， 所以重点在这个 ideas， 对不对？那 comes from nature， 所以我们从大自然里面有非常多的有用的，对不对 ？Useful 是有用的 idea 是你的点子，对不对？那 question one, so who are in this story?
Ben and Debbie and Lisa.
Lisa, are you sure?
No.
ideas come from nature. Ben, David,
Oh.
And Sally.
Daddy.
And Sally, right?
Yes.
Okay, so where are they going?
Museum. Science Museum.
Science museum. You know what's science museum, right?
科博馆.
Okay, so why they are there? Why are they visited the science museums?
Because they want to see the trend on TV. Right.
Yeah, it's something related to the trend on TV, right? And so what do they see over there?
They see the trend on TV.
What about the train? What information they
It's
get?
going through a tunnel now and making a lot of noise. But the blue one is quiet.
So both means how many trains are there?
Two.
Yes, okay. 没错，就是要两个，对不对？So
Yeah.
both of them are noise, but one of them is quiet, right? Quieter, right? So which one is quieter?
Blue one.
Blue one, right?
Yeah.
So 我们这边 contract word 就是比较的字词嘛，对不对？ The noise 是很嘈杂 ，quiet 是很安静。两台很吵，一台很安静。那这边加 er 是什么？比较级。如果有两样东西，一个比较怎么样的话，就是加 er，记得吗？就是从上一课的单词。上一课的文法，上一课是最高级嘛，然后比较级是之前更早以前教的。Quieter 就是比另外一台什么？
更安静。
对，两台比较起来。Okay, so next questions. What happened then? Do you still remember what happened in the story? They compare with the train, right? The design of the train. So what's the differences between Taiwan's design and Japan's design, or similar? Maybe they have something similar. Yeah. Can you tell me more about it?
They won't ask other people, but they doesn't see anyone. So they find the answer by themselves.
Mhm.
And they look the same.
The same. So we say similar ideas, differences. You know differences, 对不对？不一样的，对不对
Yes.
？Similar ideas 是什么？就是有类似的 idea，对不对
Yes.
？So you talk about the train design, and you say they have something in common, and they have something similar, right?
Yes.
So can you point out what are those things in Taiwan's design and in Japan's design? They are similar.
They use the shape of animals' bodies to make useful things.
Very good. Animal shapes, right? And
Yes.
what part of the animal shapes? Do you remember?
They copy the shape of a bird's long beak, and gave those trains a new head. So the train are these noise.
So the head of the train looks like a bird's beak, right?
Yes.
And what else? What else? That's one of the points. And
Spatial shape. Those help the train run fast.
Special shapes. What do you mean spatial shapes? Special shapes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So that's it. Very good. Okay, you got the 10.
Yeah.
What about in the end? In the end, what's the end of what's the story about let's call conclusion, okay? What's the conclusion?
What is conclusion?
Conclusion, 结论, okay?
Oh,
What's the story's conclusions?
they know the why they know the trend. The blue one quieter.
Yes, the blue one is quieter, and
And the bullet train in Japan is also that what?
Yes, very good. That's a new vocabulary here. Bullet train. That's in Chinese is called 什么？
弹列车。
子弹列车，对不对？Uh-huh. Okay, very good. You got it. And let's read it from very beginnings. Can you see my screen? Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so let's read it again with the text.
Okay.
Those texts are from your book. Okay, so Ben,
Okay.
I will be David. Okay.
Okay. Ben, Daffy, and Sally are at the Science Museum. What's that strange sound?
Look, it's from the trend on TV.
It's going through a channel now and making a lot of noise.
Okay, here we go.
There is another trend on the other TV. It's not noise at all. Both of the trends are fast. Why is the blue one quieter?
Hold on. Okay, so turno. Okay, turno.
Okay.
Turno, remember? Turno 隧道. Okay.
Okay.
You read it again. Turno.
Turno.
Turno. Okay. David, it's my turn. Okay. I don't know. Can we ask someone here?
I don't see anyone. Maybe we can find the answer by ourselves. Look, there is a thing.
Okay. We normally say the answer.
The answer.
Okay. 如果字是 A I O U 开头的话，前面就可以念 the， 就会有一个区别。Okay, the answer. So maybe we can find the answer by ourselves. Okay. Look, there is a
Thing.
no. It's read sign.
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 There is a sign. 有一个
Sign.
标志。Okay.
Okay.
Sign. 后面的 n 是发鼻音。sign.
Sign.
So can you read it again? Look.
Look, there is a sign.
Okay, let's read it. People use the shape of animals' body to make useful things. The bullet train in Japan is a good example.
What did they do? People didn't like those noise trains, so they changed their design.
Hold on. Okay, here we go. How do you read this?
Trains.
What about
Noise.
this? Okay, noisy.
Noisy trains.
我们刚刚讲这个字，我们打字的，好。我们刚刚是讲到这个 noise 是它的名词，叫做吵闹，对不对？但是它放在这个名词的前面的时候，你要怎么念？
Noisy.
它变成形容词，对不对？形容这个 train，
Yes.
所以呢，它就变成形容词是 noisy，
Noisy.
noisy
Noisy.
trains
Noisy trains.
and the。
Descend.
你记得刚刚你念过这个字吗？
Yes.
怎么念
Sign.
？There is a sign.
Yes.
The
Sign.
very good. Design. Okay. Design 是设计。Okay. So they change their design. It's my turn. Okay. It's my turn here. They copied the shape of a bird's long beak and gave those trains a new head. Now the trains are less noisy.
The special shape also helps the trains run faster than before. Really? That's so cool.
The sign also says the Taiwan high-speed rail train copies the design of the bullet train.
Wow, I learned so much today.
How do you read this?
Learn,
No, that I learned.
learn,
Learned.
learn.
I learned so much today.
I learned so much today.
有，我今天怎么学了很多
Design,
design。
build train,
bullet，
bullet,
bullet
bullet.
bullet train， 子弹列车 ，OK。
Okay.
And next one, special shape runs faster than before. That's cool. So, and this one is really important. You have to know.
Taiwan high-speed rail train.
Very good. 所以这就是什么？台湾高铁，对不对？
Yes.
台湾高铁。Again, how do you read this?
Bullet train.
Bullet. Bullet
Bullet
train.
train.
Very good. And
Learn.
very good. So, what do you learn today? I
learned so much today.
I'm glad you learned a lot today. Okay, and I think that's it for today. So, do you have any questions?
No.
No.
Yes.
The homework. Don't forget to do your homework. Okay.
Okay.
So you have to finish the vocabulary parts. We practice the vocabularies and your reading, right?
Yes.
Reading comprehension. So finish those two parts, and next time we will have a test on your vocabularies.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
See you next time.
Okay.
Goodbye.
Bye bye.